Hey guys, in this video we talk about Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G versus Infinix Zero 34G. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G launched on January 2024 with the price tag of $350, and the Infinix Zero 34G launched on October 2023 with the price tag of $250. The body dimensions: the Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G height 6.34 inches, width 2.95 inches, thickness 8 mm. The Infinix Zero 34G dimensions: height 6.48 inches, width 2.95 inches, thickness 7.9 mm. The weight of these devices: the Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G come with 188 gram and the Infinix Zero 34G come with 182 gram. The build: the both device come with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and it come with dual SIM nano SIM card supported. The display type: the both device come with AMOLED display with 1 billion color, and the screen size: Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G come with 6.67 inches screen, and the Infinix Zero 34G come with 6.78 inches screen, and the resolution is same 1080p in both device, and the PPI dynasty mostly same. The Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G come with 395 PPI dynasty, and the Infinix Zero 34G come with 388 PPI dynasty. The refresh rate is same in both device 120Hz, and Redmi Note 13 4G come with 88.9% screen to body ratio, and the Infinix Zero 34G come with 90% screen to body ratio. The both device come with Gorilla Glass 5 protection, and the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G come with 1300 nits peak of brightness, and the Infinix Zero 34G come with 1100 nits peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera setup. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 4G come with triple camera setup: 200 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and 2 megapixel micro, and it's record 4K 30 FPS video. And the Infinix Zero 34G come with triple camera setup: 108 megapixel wide, 2 megapixel tapped, and 2 megapixel micro, and it's record 4K 30 FPS video. The selfie camera of these devices: the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 4G come with 16 megapixel front camera and 1080p 60 fps video with selfie camera, and the Infinix Zero 34G come with 50 megapixel selfie camera, and it record 1440p video record. And go to the platform of these devices. The both device come with octa-core CPU with Cortex A76, and the chipset MediaTek Helio G99 Ultra 6nm, and the GPU of these devices: the both devices come with Mali G57, and it's come with Android 14 MUI 14, and the Infinix Zero 34G come with Android 13 XOS 13 operating system. Let's go to the memory setup. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G come with 8GB and 12GB of RAM, and the Infinix Zero 34G come with 8GB of RAM. The internal storage: the Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G come with 256GB, 512GB internal storage, and the Infinix Zero 34G come with 256GB of internal storage. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G supported micro SD card, and the Infinix Zero 34G have no supported any SD card. The battery setup: the both device come with 5000 mAh battery, and the fast charging of these devices: the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G come with 67 watt fast charging, and Infinix Zero 34G come with 45 watt fast charging. No wireless charging in both device, and it's come with 4G network support. Commons and feature is same, and the result of these devices: the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G got 25 points, and the Infinix Zero 34G got 22 points.